Important hormones in the human body MCQ quiz. Which hormone is known as the growth hormone? Insulin, thyroxine, somatotropin, adrenaline. And the right answer is which hormone regulates blood sugar level in the body? Glucagon, insulin, cortisol, thyroxine. And the right answer is which gland secretes thyroxine hormone? Pituitary gland, adrenal gland, thyroid gland, pancreas. And the right answer is which hormone prepares the body for emergency situations? Insulin, adrenaline, melatonin, oxytocin. And the right answer is which hormone is responsible for milk secretion in mothers? Prolactin, oxytocin, estrogen, progesterone. And the right answer is which hormone controls the sleep-wake cycle? Melatonin, serotonin, thyroxine, adrenaline. And the right answer is which hormone increases heart rate and blood pressure? Insulin, adrenaline, glucagon, estrogen. And the right answer is which gland is known as the master gland of the endocrine system? Thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, pancreas. And the right answer is which hormone is responsible for calcium balance in bones? Parathormone, insulin, testosterone, cortisol. And the right answer is which hormone is secreted by the pancreas? Thyroxine, insulin, adrenaline, melatonin. And the right answer is which hormone influences female secondary sexual characteristics? Progesterone, testosterone, estrogen, oxytocin. And the right answer is which hormone is known as the stress hormone? Cortisol, insulin, melatonin, growth hormone. And the right answer is which hormone helps in uterine contraction during childbirth? Prolactin, oxytocin, estrogen, relaxin. And the right answer is which hormone regulates metabolism of the body? Adrenaline, insulin, thyroxine, glucagon. And the right answer is which hormone controls water balance in the body? ADH, insulin, thyroxine, prolactin. And the right answer is which gland secretes adrenaline hormone? Thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, pancreas. And the right answer is which hormone is responsible for male secondary sexual characteristics? Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, prolactin. And the right answer is which hormone stimulates the thyroid gland? TSH, ACTH, FSH, LH. And the right answer is which hormone is associated with the feeling of happiness? Melatonin, serotonin, cortisol, adrenaline. And the right answer is Which hormone prevents excessive loss of water through urine? ADH, insulin, oxytocin, thyroxine. And the right answer is, which hormone controls menstrual cycle? Insulin, estrogen, cortisol, adrenaline. And the right answer is, which hormone is secreted by the pineal gland? Melatonin, thyroxine, prolactin, insulin. And the right answer is, which hormone raises blood glucose level? Insulin, glucagon, estrogen, progesterone. And the right answer is, which hormone is secreted by testes? Progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, oxytocin. And the right answer is, which hormone promotes milk ejection from mammary glands? Prolactin, oxytocin, estrogen, relaxin. And the right answer is,